Dear students, in this video I will explaining you about the extramural competitions. The extramural word is derived from the two Latin word extra and muralis. Here extra means outside and muralis means wall. So we can say that the activities which are performed outside of the institution are called extramural tournament. Extramural competitions. Extramurals are the activities which are performed between students from various schools, organizations, or institutions. These tournaments will be organized on a zonal, regional, state, or national basis, such as inter-college tournament, inter-university tournament, etc. It is the new and fresh experience for the students to go out and learn more things for being a good sportsman along with good citizen. Importance of extramural activities. There are some of the importance of extramural activities. Better opportunity for school talent. Useful to learn the sports skill and techniques. Better opportunity to the participate in different sports. Effective for developing fitness and performance. Helping to enhance the sports performance. Extramurals provide better opportunity to the students to show their talent and ability by their performance. Extramural or outside competition are always actual competitions because in this place no one will support the players, only the performance can make him best among all. Extramural is essential to provide knowledge of new skills and techniques of sports. Extramural provides lot of opportunity to students to participate in various extramural activities. Physical education program should be planned in an effective manner and it should be implemented also because this necessary for the fitness and performance of the players and this can be affect the performance of the player and team as well. Extramural competition enhances the performances of the team. In this platform, there are too many opponents and the best performance can make the victorious a team among all. So the player put a lot of efforts to do their best in the extramural competition. Objectives of extramurals. New experience for good students. Extramural activities help the students to gain experience though continuous participation in sports activities. Enhance the standard of sports. Extramural enhance the standard of sports. During extramural activities, the student become skillful and gain the technical knowledge and exhibit good performances in different sports. These things enhance the standard of sports. Wider the base of sports. Sports is for everyone in the schools, but sometimes the students show less interest in their own school, but in extramural they get motivated though different competitions. To provide knowledge of new rules and advanced techniques. Extramural competition help to the students to get knowledge about the new development in rules and regulation of the games. They also learn about new techniques which enable them to improve their performance. To develop personality. The games and sports include the physical and mental fitness along with qualities of good person. With this, it is easy to develop the personality with games and sports. By participating in extramural activities, the students also learn the social and moral value which help them to be a good citizen. Development of sportsman spirit. Extramural competition provide good environment to the students for improving the sportsmanship. In new environment, they can adjust them by their good behavior and develop the qualities to become a good sportsman. I hope this video will help to you in better learning about extramural competitions.